The best of Northwest contemporary style on Clyde Hill. Perched on nearly 3/4 of an acre, this custom estate enjoys views of Overlake Golf Course and the Olympic Mountains. Soaring ceilings and clean lines create an airy feeling in the open entertaining spaces. Enjoy dinner with friends in the formal dining room and relax by the fire in the living room. Around the corner, the gourmet kitchen with expansive cabinetry and plenty of space to prep and cook opens to the great room overlooking the patio. Relax in the private main floor master suite. The main level also hosts a home office. The entertaining continues on the lower level. Plenty of space for games and movies, additional bedrooms, and an attached guest apartment with kitchen. This residence hosts an array of expansive outdoor entertaining areas and a sports court. With over 7,600 square feet and a 4-car garage, you have space for every need. Enjoy the best of West Bellevue. Welcome home.